welcome family. This is the Velvet Locks. Hey you guys. I am so excited. This is something that took a minute to get to, and it's a big accomplishment that I couldn't have done without you guys. I thought I would probably be a little bit more emotional, which I am stirred up inside. But at the same time, I could not have done it without you guys. Honestly, you guys have been the best supporters, the best. You've been family to me for this time. I've been on YouTube for 3 years. And guess what? Guess what I just got today? I just got my YouTube 100K plaque, and I am so happy. Oh my goodness. OMG. So I wanted to get on here real quick and share this wonderful moment with you guys, because I couldn't have done any of this without you. And don't come at me, because I didn't even get to go to the nail salon. I've been popping off these nails and trying to get myself together for, to get them done. But I had to come on here today just to share this exciting news with you guys. I got my YouTube plaque, y'all. And I want to unbox it with you, okay? So this is an unboxing video. Let me turn on a fan. So this is going to be me unboxing, sharing this moment with all of you, because like I said, I couldn't have done it without all of you. And I just wanted you all to see this at the same time that I'm seeing this, okay? All right. This is the first step of many steps. And right now it's 100K. I'm pushing for 1 million. No. Is it 1 million? No, I'm pushing for 1 million to get my gold one, my gold play button. And who knows, 10 million get my diamond play button. So this is a milestone right here, you guys. So let's open it together, okay? Got my little eye shaver thing, so I'm gonna cut the box. Now, I erased my address on this so you guys can't find me, Wow. I've watched so many of these videos, and I can't remember the person that I watched open hers last, but watching her open hers made me cry. I was so emotional for her because I knew mine was on its way. So yeah, you guys, here it is. Alright, I'm gonna try to... Alright, oh, okay. So I'm gonna take out the letter that comes with it. And it's YouTube. And it says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You've achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may be a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and you're rooting, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. Please forgive me, CEO of YouTube. Thank you so much, Susan. I appreciate this award. I really do. I really do. Because the crazy thing is, some of the sisters that I started out with in the beginning, I no longer see on this channel. I no longer see them on YouTube. Wow. Look at this, y'all. Wow. It is beautiful. Wow. And this is for all of you. This is not just for me, you guys. Look. This is not just for me, you guys. This is also for you, for helping me to get to, oh wow, it's so beautiful. For getting me to this, for getting me here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, y'all. I appreciate everything. I appreciate every one of you. And I thank you so much for trusting me, for rocking with me for 3 years, and for helping me to get to this level of recognition, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate everything, y'all.